sis. It's time to go to the fields to milk.
Ah, that's a good idea. Let's go to the field.
But the weather is scorching.
Yeah, I'm sweating.
Oh yeah, that's the reason why we have to milk.
Oh, suppose that we are going to milk?
Yeah, those are. It's better for you to stay here, out there.
Yeah, I'll stay here.
Okay, but before going to milk, don't forget to subscribe to Meaningful Truck, like and share. Cheerio!
Let's cook banana and milk in the meaningful truck. Finally, we got here. Let's start cooking. The milk looks delicious. Let's try it. Huh? Give me some more.
Wait a sec. I'll give for you.